Hey everyone, Sharif here, the creator of Quantum Silicon Core Loader. In this video, I'm gonna show you the update of my QSL.pin and my QSL.py. So here it is. As you know, in this update of my QSL.pin, it now uses the alignment of header, magic, and this one. And the QSL.py will expect this type of alignment to parse correctly, because it is important that the parser should be strict enough to avoid crash, brick, error, and some types of inaccuracy when running some commands and sending the loader in the device. Thank you guys, and see you there soon. And don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. And also, if my recognition about my Quantum Second Core Loader is there, then thank you all and see you there soon.